In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Exness MT5 password. Now to do this, first you want to sign in to your Exness personal area dashboard and go to Trading top left and then click on Accounts. In here, you want to select the MT5 account. You want to change the password for, or of course reset it. Go to Real or Demo. I'm going to go to Demo right now. And I do have this MT50 account over here, which is a demo account. You want to go to the right, click on the three dots, and click on Change Trading Password. Now, whenever you do this, you can then reset it in here. So just retype in the new password you want to use. And of course, the same applies as when you created this for the first time. It's between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. Of course, this is for security purposes. So when you're done, hit the Change Password button, and there we go. As you can see, your trading password for your MT5 account has been reset and changed. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.